Delicious chicken feet recipe. Let's make it. 1.5 pounds chicken feet. Remove the nails. Then cut into small pieces. Massage chicken feet with salt to remove the smell. Then wash them with water. Set aside. Hot water. Steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Set aside. Heat the cooking oil. Sauté ginger for 15 seconds. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Sauté onion until tender. Add the steamed chicken feet. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. One teaspoon sugar. Half a teaspoon of paprika. A quarter teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Add salt if needed. Note, I added 1 small green bell pepper, but this is optional. Cook for 2 minutes. Thai chili peppers. Continue cooking for 1 minute. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, super yummy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.